Good afternoon from Epcot Center. We're here today because it is the very first day of Epcot Forever, the new temporary fireworks show that is taking the place of Illuminations until the new show Harmonious premieres next year. Also, just to kind of like address the elephant in the room, yes, we are on a new camera. This is the Sony a7 III on a gimbal, so gonna be very different to watch. We're trying to get the best quality possible today. So we're gonna check out some new merch today. There's also a new preview center. We're showing off some of the new stuff that's coming to Epcot and new fireworks, of course. So let's head on inside and see what we can see. I feel like sometimes I'll just start the camera because it's fun to film on this new gimbal with this giant camera. It is a little bit heavy and hard to use, but I like it a lot. Our first stop is just next to all of these construction walls. We're headed into Mouse Gear to check out some of the new merchandise for the fireworks show Epcot Forever and some of the new Epcot merch. Ooh, look at this shirt. This is awesome. Does it have anything on the back? No, but it does say Epcot with the new logo on the sleeve right there. And this is $29.99. Another $30 shirt. This one's an Epcot Forever shirt. This is for the fireworks show, but I do have to admit, why is this pocket here? Like, why is there a pocket right there? This would be amazing if there wasn't a pocket. I don't think there's anything on the other side. Nope. Nothing on the back side. Oh, they have the hat that I got Jen at D23, as well as the jacket that they had. I wonder how much, if the jacket's only $64. How much is the hat? The hat was $30, I know that for sure. It's $34.99, so it's a little bit more expensive than it was at D23. Oh, they have my shirt right here. This is the one that I was wearing yesterday for the final Illuminations, which you guys will see that video a little bit later. They're $30, and they also have a black version of it. I kind of like the black version a lot. It's very cool. And then they have this tote bag here. I don't see a price on it. I don't know how much the tote bag is. The unpriced tote bag. Look at these awesome notebooks. Oh, and they come in a pack of 4. $19.95 for a pack of 4 Epcot notebooks, all different colors. See if I can get a side view of it so you guys can see what the different colors are. Looks like we got blue and purple and teal and orange. Seems to be a common theme. Oh, I thought the long sleeve was... Oh, wait. How much is the long sleeve? $34.99 for this long sleeve Epcot shirt. Pretty awesome looking. I do like it. That's the new logo. Oh, look at these. These are $39.99. Got titanium Tervis tumbler. These are way awesome. Ooh, can you guys see like the iridescence of this? That looks way cool. For $26.99, we've got this Epcot Forever tumbler. Also a Tervis. Stainless steel or titanium colored. I don't know if it's actually titanium or if it's just a titanium color. So like a stainless steel insulated Tervis tumbler that says Epcot Forever with figment on it. It's very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. $24.99 for this Kids One Little Spark shirt. This thing is awesome. It's Epcot Forever. For $44.99, we've got this Epcot Forever hooded, the long sleeve shirt. Oh yeah, look at that. This is the pass holder one. That's pretty fun. I like that. I like that there's figment on there. But I wish it wasn't a long sleeve hooded shirt because I'm never going to wear that ever in Florida. It's still 89 degrees outside right now. So why? I don't need that. Give me a short sleeve shirt. Oh, look, they still have some Farewell to Illumination shirts too. This is a pass holder one. And this isn't actually, this is in a food and wine display. I'm sure that they are somewhere else in the store though. Seems like the only other thing that I've found that's Epcot Forever that I didn't show you guys before is this Christmas ornament, but there it is. How much is it? $26.99. Wow. That is a lot more expensive than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my goodness, look at that. There is some construction equipment back behind this wall over here. I guess they've already started demolishing Fountain of Nations because this is the area that would be in. Right there is where Club Cool was. I have a feeling Club Cool is no longer. So another thing that's new is this, the Epcot Experience, which is over in the old Odyssey building, right across the water there. And that's an old restaurant called the Odyssey Restaurant. And we're gonna go in there a little bit later today to check out what the future of Epcot holds. But I'm gonna go around and show you guys the decorations right now. And the paintwork that they did. Look at that paintwork down there. I love those colors. And then we've got the Odyssey symbol up high there. And then we've got a really huge version of the Odyssey symbol painted on the side over there. Something new that opened today is the donut box. And if you guys remember back to the preview of Food and Wine that we went to, they had the black and white coffee cocktail, which we didn't try because it's alcoholic, but we did try the donut. Here's the menu on the donut box. The other thing that opened up today is this Cool Wash right here. So this is now an actual location where you can get different drinks. I'm assuming that this is taking the place of Club Cool, but it's not as cool as Club Cool. Just looks like various Coca-Cola drinks, and you can get various Coca-Cola slushies. So here's what's available at the new Cool Wash station. All kinds of different swirled frozen concoctions. I came over by the water to see if we could see anything as far as any sort of new barges, and it kind of seems like there's a lot of little barges out and about, like little ones here, little one right there, kind of just all along the water there. So I don't know, it doesn't seem like there's as many fireworks as there were for Illuminations, but maybe they haven't put all the barges out. I'm interested to see what's gonna happen. I'm excited for this fireworks show tonight. Just wanted to give you guys an idea of how busy it is right now. Fireworks aren't until 9, and it is now 6:30. Doesn't look too busy. Folks are starting to roll in though. People have been staking out their spots for quite a while now. Also, Disney Parks Blog is live streaming the entire show tonight, so they've got their setup over here, and I believe that we are going to be watching from right next door here at a dessert party. Monorail! All right, we're going into the Epcot Preview Center, and we're gonna have a look around and see what there is. Look at that. Oh.
The magic of possibility awaits, and this is just the beginning. Epcot experiences have always represented big ideas, from nature to discovery, world culture to the celebration of humanity. It is a place full of wonders. Let's go discover them together. There's a magical new interactive trail to explore where water is alive and waiting to play.
Is ancient. It has journeyed around our world since the beginning of time. Everywhere it goes, water is alive with personality, changing form and inviting us to play. More magical than we know, this most precious of resources.
Ready to play? A fun new digital city is coming where you can play with all your Disney friends.
Welcome to the digital city, where playing is a way of life. Here we go! A place to snap and share. A place to play and win. A place to play and create.
Next up, our first intergalactic pavilion is coming to Epcot, and it is out of this world.
On behalf of all Zendarians, may I say that we are extremely pleased and excited to be coming from our world to your Disney World. This is a critical moment.
When Rocket unplugged!
We look forward to meeting you in person when our pavilion opens at Epcot in the near future.
And now, let's go over to Epcot's World Showcase, where we bring together cultures and ideas from around the globe. Wondrous China. Come celebrate the rich culture of this ancient and modern country.
Chef Baby is preparing one of his specialties, which I'm certain you will enjoy.
So is this like scenes from the ride? Those of you guys that have been on the ride in Paris, is this what it's like? Because there goes the ride vehicle.
4 ratatouilles pour la 4.
It's not a screen-based attraction, is it?
À bientôt et bon appétit.
Over in the United Kingdom, a practically perfect adventure is coming that will have you laughing with delight.
Everything is possible. Even the impossible.
As the day fades and dusk turns to night, Epcot comes to life in a global celebration of Disney music. Epcot, where the magic of possibility awaits.
And then the show just started over again. Oh no, look.
Everything we'll be doing in Disney World will be our experimental prototype city of tomorrow.
This is awesome. And out here we've got some attraction posters that have been made specifically for this preview center. I wonder if we'll start to see more of these around the park, because these are awesome. And then here is a gigantic mural of the concept art. Look at that. And then they also have some humongous photo ops. You can look like you are in the Guardians of the Galaxy ride vehicle. That's pretty neat. And then we've got some... What kind of stuff do we got here? Oh, Nova Course flight jacket. So this is maybe some of the stuff that the cast members are going to be wearing for the ride. And then we got some stuff from Mary Poppins over here. I know it's kind of hard to see through the glass. This is neat. And they have a gigantic Mary Poppins photo op over here too. And they even have some posters from some of the stuff that is no longer here, like Universe of Energy, which was Ellen's Energy Adventure, Wonders of Life, which is over where the Play Pavilion will be, Maelstrom, which is where Frozen is. We got United Kingdom, and these are all things that are still here now, with American Adventure and France and China. And then we got Mary Poppins, which is going in the UK Pavilion. Now we are headed down to a dessert party and getting our spots to watch Epcot Forever, the new fireworks show. We've got our spot. Now we just gotta wait for it to happen. We've got about 45 minutes before the show starts. I'm excited. I can't wait to see. I don't know what's gonna happen. So the next shot you guys will see will be Epcot Forever. So good news, the cauldrons are lit. So all of the fire is still here around Epcot.
We call it Epcot.
So there you have it. That was Epcot Forever. I really enjoyed that show. There was a little moment in the middle where they started playing Aladdin, and I was like, what is this? And then I realized that's just kind of getting you ready for Harmonious, because Harmonious is going to feature a lot more of the Disney characters than this show does. So this is sort of like a look back at previous Epcot attractions. So I could see people that weren't here coming to Epcot as kids might not enjoy the show as much. Like for me, it hit me right in the feels. As soon as that kid at the beginning started singing One Little Spark, I was like, oh, this is gonna be my show. And then all of the different songs that came on reminded me of my childhood at Epcot, and I really enjoyed it. And then I Can Show You the World came on, and I was like, okay, I understand it. It wasn't my favorite part of the show, but I did really enjoy the entire show. It's Epcot, so the fireworks are always kind of low and not as big as Magic Kingdom's, but it was still very, very enjoyable. Another thing that I really liked about that fireworks show were the jet skis with the little kites attached to the back. That was amazing. Those jet skis were super quiet too. They kind of felt like maybe they were electric. I didn't smell any gas. I didn't hear them. I didn't know if there were electric jet skis. Maybe there are, but those were fantastic. I really enjoyed the kite part being towed by the jet skis, and the lighted kites, and then the fireworks, that like the sparklers on the kites. It totally added a new element to fireworks shows and lagoon shows here at Epcot. Also, the Epcot Preview Center was fantastic. I really enjoyed that and everything about it. Had a great night. So thank you to Disney for having us out for this media event. And with that being said, we are off, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
We are the Jacksons.
From Palm Coast, Florida, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Candace. And now it's time
To pay the price.